Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog clippers that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Andis XL 5-Speed Pet Clipper. The Andis XL 5-Speed Pet Clipper is one of the sturdiest corded pet clippers you can find in the market. This multi-speed machine is super lightweight, which means you'll be able to use it without much effort, and it makes up for how big it is, 6.5 inches or 16 centimeters from top to bottom. The design of the Andis XL is ergonomic and super comfortable, with a shape that will allow you to hold it for long periods of time. This is great because if you're dealing with a particularly large and furry pet, you will need to be comfortable using the clipper. Another great feature of this pet clipper is the fact that it provides 5 different speeds, starting at 2,500 strokes per minute up to 4,500. What this means is that you'll be able to provide a sharp new cut for your pet. The ceramic edge blades are simply one of the best because they stay sharp for longer and they don't get as hot as steel. Moving on at number 4, we have the Oster A5 2-Speed Professional Clippers. The Oster A5 is another great option that provides all the features you want from your pet clipper. Plus, it's from a brand you know and trust. This durable machine provides 3,000 strokes per minute on the low setting and 4,000 on the high setting. This is the perfect pet clipper for dog owners who like to occasionally groom their pets to upkeep what has already been done at the pet salon. However, we don't think it will perform well if you need to use it intensely. If you only have one pet and you're dedicated to maintaining their coats groomed and trimmed, this is the perfect option. But if you have more than one pet and you'll be needing to use the clipper a lot more often, other options on this list will do a better job. At number 3, we have the Wahl U-Clip Pro Home Pet Grooming Kit. The Wahl U-Clip Pet Grooming Kit is an amazing deal for the price because you don't only get the Wahl U-Clip Pet Clipper, you're also getting a bunch of different accessories that will allow you to give your pet the best possible look. At 7,200 strokes per minute, this clipper will work great on all types of coats. The clipper can be a little noisy, so keep that in mind if your pets are particularly nervous and scared of things in general. The kit includes the pet clipper, an instructional DVD that will help you get the hang of grooming, an apron, and many other accessories you can use to make your pet look their best. This Wahl grooming kit is one of the best-selling products on Amazon and you'll be happy with it because it will provide everything you need in one pack. It's budget-friendly, user-friendly, and if your pets can get used to the noise, it will be the perfect clipper for you. At number 2, we have the Wahl Professional Animal Motion Pet Cordless Clipper Kit. It's the Wahl Professional Animal Motion Pet Cordless Clipper Kit. This kit contains a versatile pet clipper that will handle both the prep work and the grooming quite beautifully. The 5-in-1 Pro Blade set comes with 5 adjustable sizes, including 9, 10, 15, 30 and 40, so you can customize your grooming however you see fit. This clipper provides more torque than others, so it will make it easy for you to deal with thick hair and coating. It provides a smooth experience, not just for you, but also for your dog since they won't get hurt. This clipper has an attractive design that's super quiet and doesn't vibrate as much as it should for a machine that provides 5,500 strokes per minute. The lithium-ion battery featured in this clipper will allow for more torque, more power, and fewer charge cycles. The Wahl Professional Animal Motion Pet Cordless Clipper Kit is a little more expensive than other options on the list, but it will be worth every single penny. And finally at number 1, we have the Wahl Lithium-Ion Pro Series Cordless Animal Clippers. We have the Wahl Pro Series Cordless Animal Clippers. This lithium-ion battery clipper provides 2 full hours of runtime, which means you'll get many grooming sessions out of a single charge. Plus, it charges quickly. In only 15 minutes you'll be able to turn it back on and it will be fully charged in 3 to 5 hours. The self-sharpening precision blades featured on this clipper provide a grooming experience that's comfortable and sharp. It will allow you to upkeep your pet's coat and save you a few trips to the pet salon. This clipper is not only inexpensive, but it's also exactly what you need to keep your pets well groomed and looking sharp. It's long-lasting, sturdy, high quality, and it will disappoint neither you nor your pet.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon